If you know any awesome elderly people in your life and you want to help them stay healthy and fit, then here are some exercises you can help them do. Meet my 73-year-old grandmother who's going to help us today by showing us 10 exercises that are very easy to do from anywhere. Ready, Dadi?
Yes.
The first 3 exercises are going to be done seated on a chair. Number 1 is knee extension. You're going to straighten your knee, squeeze that kneecap, and then bend in return. Same leg, straighten the knee, squeezing the kneecap, and then bend to return. You do the same leg 10 times and then you switch to the other leg. Once you're done with this 10 times, you hold your knee straight and you do a flex and point. So inhale to flex, take your toes back, exhale to point. You can smile while doing it. And flex and point. Same thing, you do this 10 times. And then you do internal rotation of your foot and external rotation. In and out, just working that ankle mobility and getting your feet to nicely move. The third exercise is called leg lifts. Keeping your knee bent, you're going to lift your leg up and hold it up for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you lower it down. Doing the opposite leg, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower. You do each leg 10 times, keeping your back straight and having a nice big smile on your face. The next set is going to be done standing. Standing straight, holding onto a chair in front of you. You're going to lift your leg out to the side and control it down. And again, inhale, exhale down. You're going to do this for 10 to 15 reps on one side, and then of course, you're going to change your legs and even your body out, trying not to let your hips move from side to side. Well done, Dadi. The second exercise that you would do standing is heel lifts. So holding onto a stable chair, you're going to lift your heels up and then control down. Inhale to lift up and exhale down. As you lift up, remember to pull your belly in and lower down. On your 10th one, you would do 10 of these. You would hold it up for 10 seconds to try and work those calf muscles and strengthen them, and then slowly lower down. Amazing. To counter that stretch, you would now lift your toes up, flexing your feet and lower, and again lifting up and down, trying to hold the person who you're with so that they're not shifting backwards too much, and release. The last standing leg exercise is a cross releve. So you will cross one leg in front of the other, again holding onto a stable surface, and lift your heels up and down. Very good. And again up and down. And she's doing an amazing job pulling her belly in, finding length in her spine, and she's remembering to breathe, which is really, really important. And lower, and of course, don't forget to do the other side. Very good. And down. And relax your shoulders. And up and down. Last 2. While it's really important to keep our legs healthy and strong, it's equally important to keep our spine flexible as we grow older. So here are 3 exercises you can do to keep your spine healthy. First one, opening your arms out to the sides, and then take a nice big side bend over and back to center. Side bend over. Remember, the head is a part of your spine, so take your head with you. And center. As you side bend, remember to keep your shoulders down. And center. Put your shoulders down. Good. And center. Back to center. Beautiful. You would do this about 7 to 8 times on each side to get a nice side bend on both sides of your body. The last 2 spinal exercises are rotation and extension. So you're going to interlace your fingers, hands behind your head, relax your shoulders, and take your head back. Now rotate to the right, back to center, rotate to the left, back to center. Now lift your chest up, open your heart to the ceiling, and center. Let's do that again. Rotate to the right, exhale, center, rotate to the left, exhale, center. Lift your heart open. This extension is amazing for your spine, and center. You do this about 6 to 7 times this entire set. Relax your arms and just roll out those shoulders. Give yourself a pat on the back because you have done amazing.